brings us today? I'm gonna make you guess. It's a product from DJI.
Really?
Who would have said?
Maybe it records something.
It records something. It is a
Pocket for P.
Pocket 4P. This name is weird actually. Pocket 4P. What's the P stands for? Oh boy, we found something. Give me that special knife that you have there. Huh? See? True FPV.
Ooh.
He's not too good with the fingers, huh? He's not too good with the fingers. So this is our special knife. As you can see here, we have a product.
We don't need knives for it.
It's a product, it's a camera that records. It is a beautiful camera. Beautiful camera with a beautiful package. With a beautiful package.
This is what happens at the second video.
Yeah, oh, it has a. It's like a grenade. We're having fun.
Okay.
Can we have fun?
No.
Okay. So, this is gonna be the BT.
The what? There's no one.
There was no one here.
There's no gambuzinos.
Okay, we're gonna we're gonna unpack this like ninjas. See, I make the first cut.
It's never gonna work again.
See? Huh? Very good, huh? Very good knife. We don't need it anymore. Here. Do you remember the Salt Bay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the sprinkle with the small salt. Okay, so this is gonna be. I'm gonna put the title here now. It's gonna be. What was the name I said?
For P?
No, the name for this
Flexible.
I said it's mega. No, it was mega. It was ultra unboxing. No, not ultra. It was what?
Ah, okay. I'm not sure.
We're not sure.
It was noisy.
Untitled unboxing. It's gonna be. Unboxing, eh? Huh? Unboxing sounds. You're excited to open this thing, and you never go. You're not here for the sounds. You're here for the camera.
That's the butt.
It's the butt. But. Okay. Sir, we have here is the highest tech in small camera technology. I present to you the Pocket 4P. It's a weird name.
So you need to pee, you pee on the pocket.
No, it's not that kind of pee.
There's
So-
something else inside.
It's a toilet. It's to go to the toilet.
The pee bag.
It's a pee bag. Oh, it's a pee bag. Oh, and the plastic. Okay, so from the top, camera stuff,
Pee bag.
camera bag for the pee, and bumper stickers. Bumper stickers.
And as always.
I love bumper stickers. You want the bumper sticker?
I have like-
bumper sticker for
I
you.
have like 15 of these.
Box. Don't worry. We're gonna pick this up after. No worries. So, from the top, camera. Hopefully, not the.
It's going with the wind.
No, it's not gonna. Okay, so I'm really good at unboxing, huh?
Yeah, it's ASMR.
ASMR.
No, no. Open that shit.
Okay, so you're trying to do some ASMR as well, huh? You saw him?
No, this is too soft.
Okay. Okay, so here we go. The sound, it is very amazing, eh? Okay, so what does money buy you when you get a Pocket 4P? A Pocket 4P. You have this beautiful pochette. How do you call it pochette in English? It's a pochette. It's a pochette. No. Hear this sound again. Here. Is it open or is it closed? This sound was amazing. I'm dying inside. Okay, so what will your money buy when you get the vlog back? We got the vlog back actually. DJI sent us the important message. DJI sent us this. They did not pay you for pay you or me or him to make this video. We just make this because we like to talk about cameras. We like to talk to technology. Technology! Technology, huh?
Do not eat the silica gel. Okay?
Okay, silica gel.
Throw away.
No! Okay. So, what are you doing with the pacheta? What the fuck are you doing? I'm trying to talk about the camera. Okay, so first things first. Do you like the unboxing? Please, in the comments, say 1 to 10. How big, how good was the unboxing for you? Was it for me? It was very good.
It's still not.
No, that
not
didn't
big.
unbox. No, it was still a work in progress. We're gonna make this happen. Okay, so. I'm anxious to
I'm
take
action,
the,
I'm action.
I'm action.
Okay.
I'm pocket. Okay, so I'm gonna take the camera out. This is what you get.
That's a big head.
That's a big head, but it's an amazing head. It's gonna film the hell out of things. So, as you can see here, ooh, looks pretty good. It's smaller than I expected. Oh, for your information, back where you're seeing this video, the main camera, which we're using from now on, and now in the back video as well, is a Pocket 4. So look at this quality. This camera just turned off.
Tecnologia! Tecnologia! Tecnologia!
Back. Okay, so, Gonzalo. Okay, so what you think about the potential of this camera? Were you anxious for this product?
I'm anxious for the 3X because it's gonna make a difference.
Yeah, super.
The Lock 2 also?
The Lock 2 looks amazing.
That's
How many dynamic stops?
25.
25. Really?
70.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
17 they say.
17. They say.
They say, yes.
We'll leave this to Gerald and Dunn. He's not gonna review this
yeah,
camera,
he
but
doesn't do stuff anymore, but
yeah. But if he did, he might.
17, it's a lot.
Yeah, but think about this. If you go get the technology from the Mavic 4, you might get 17.
They should be doing that on the Pocket 4 already, but
Yeah.
I mean that's only on the 1 inch.
Oh, really?
Yeah, not the 3X one.
Oh, good information.
I think it's just this one.
As the normal Pocket 4, it also brings the LED lights, which is pretty cool.
It's the same one, right?
It's the same one. Yeah. Okay. LED light also brings a new microphone, and I may be at loss, but it's not the Mic 3. I think it's the Mic Mini 2 because it has covers.
Okay.
Okay, so
Didn't know that.
the package from the creative pack of the Pocket 4 brings the Mic 3,
Okay.
and I think the vlog version of the Pocket
Yeah,
4P
this is-
brings the Mini.
Yeah, this looks like the Mini 2.
It's a Mini 2, the Mini 2.
Mini 2 2.
Mini 2.
4P and 2 2.
So magnets.
Mic.
I'm not gonna open. I'm
Mini
gonna
2
lose them.
transmitter, it says in the back.
It's a Mini 2.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
says in the
Mini
back,
2.
So
Camera, LED lights, extender, Mini 2. Also the mini accessories like the SpongeBob and the, and the magnetic Magnetic Iron Man. What else?
The what? Sorry?
I'm just kidding. It's a magnetic thing. You have to put it here like this. It's not the magic. It's not the magic. It is a magnetic. Okay, so tripod.
Tripod? What's a tripod?
It's a tripod. It's like in Portuguese. Okay. What else? Hey. So, another cover. It's a black cover. I thought it would bring colors. No, no colors for us. Yeah, no colors for us. But I have something here which is gonna make you really happy.
What? Money?
Not money. Next best thing for a camera. You don't know this, but film his expression. Here's his reaction. It's gonna be amazing. It's a remote control. See? The face, the man happy.
So
it's a remote for your camera. So you can control remotely the Pocket 4. You don't need a telephone, a smartphone, anything. You can just use this and you can be away from the camera and control remotely.
Does this go anywhere?
No, no. It's not unlike the competition.
No, but this should be on the...
Maybe it could.
Yeah, because
go
there's the
somewhere.
sphere here.
USB cables. More USB cables for the mic, the mic charging ones. I think this is the lanyards for the for. Could it work on that? Yeah, it could
Yeah,
work.
there's
Yeah.
you can
Yeah.
work on that.
Okay, this is plastic. This is another lanyard.
So it's one for each.
Yeah, one for each. Okay.
What else?
Nothing else.
Another lanyard.
No.
What is this?
It is. It is.
It's a charger for something, maybe for this. Yeah, for this.
No, is it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a charger for the.
How does it connect?
There's some pins on the back.
Pins in the back. Pins in the back. Oh, they only bring one color for the mic.
Pins on the
For the, they only bring this color. No black one.
No black one?
Honestly, this is a pretty good addition to the family. It's gonna maybe revolutionize how you use your Pocket, but I think I'm just saying that with the Pocket 4 Creator Pack, you get the Mic 3 and you get the black thing, you know.
There's no creator pack for this one? Maybe?
It's a vlog pack, I think, only. I'm just gonna put some plastics here because we care about nature and we don't want to leave any.
Does this turn on?
Yeah, turn on.
Great.
Ah.
It looks great with the blank screen. So just the basic stuff. Lower sharpness, low texture, okay, film tone.
So these are the settings that we usually use on our Pockets and usually DJI cameras. -1, -1.
You use beauty on, right? No.
Oh yes, beauty always. Okay, so let's take it for a joyride.
So this is regular D-Log.
Regular D-Log.
So now 1x again.
Pocket 4.